Now, before we dive into the actual content of the course, I want to give you some helpful suggestions to get the most benefit from this program. And those are, first, go through the videos multiple times. Okay, we only retain 7 to 10% of information that we're presented with one time. So the best thing you can do is go through all the videos in order right now if you can, and after that, go through the course again and again. The next thing is put aside all other programs and books on this topic for a little while. Okay, you can always pull them out later, but just for now, just focus on this one course, because otherwise it gets too confusing to try to learn from multiple sources on the same topic at the same time. And finally, use the Q&A area. Share your questions, bring your challenges for additional help. You know, the videos are only part of this course. The real value comes from applying what you learn and getting involved in the community with the other students and myself. Now, to truly start getting results, it's time to take action. And the very first action that I'd like you to take is to click the Q&A button below this video and introduce yourself, okay? You can share where you're from, the number one reason that you decided to enroll in this course. You can also share what you're primarily here to gain, or the number one question you have about this topic, or the biggest challenge that you're currently experiencing. And this way we can make sure that we address all of those. So with all that being said, again, I'm really glad that you're here. I look forward to, getting to know you better as you go through the rest of the course. So let's dive in, and I will see you in the next video.